हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आशा है आप घर में हैं और सुरक्षित हैं. नाउ इन आवर प्रीवियस क्लास वी हैव सॉल्व्ड एक्सरसाइज 2.3 and today we will try to complete this topic. See, our question number 6 is on dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial gx, the quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. What we have to do, we have to find the gx. See, just you read the question again. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial gx, the quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find gx. Now see, to find this, what we have to do, first we have to write what is given and what we have to find. Now see what is given to us. So here it is given on dividing this by a polynomial. So our px is how much? X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Now see here, and gx we have to find. Dividend we have given. Okay, divisor we have to find, and quotient is also given to us. Is that okay? See, while solving any problem in mathematics, first you have to write what is given and what we have to find. So here dividend is given to us. Okay, now quotient is given to us. We have to find the divisor and we have taken it as what? Gx. Is that okay? Now see, here remainder is also given to us, quotient and remainder. So remainder is given how much? Minus 2x plus 4. So now see, if it is given dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So can we find what? Divisor. This we can find. Is that okay? Here I am solving by one method. You can also follow that. Here you can write, here dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Can we write here this one, divisor is equals to dividend minus what? This r will come to this side, this, and by what? What do we want? This one. Either you can use this method or what? Here also you can use in that way. Now see, here we have written x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 is equals to gx into x minus 2 plus minus 2x plus 4. Now see, the same thing we have done here. Okay, now let us write. Here gx will be equals to what? X cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. Is that okay? So let us divide. Okay, we know how we will divide. Is that okay? So let us start our division. X minus 2, we want x cube. So with what we will multiply? With x square. So it becomes x cube. Again minus 2x square. So here we will write minus 2x square. After solving, this becomes cancel. Here we got minus plus minus 3 minus 2, 1x square plus 3x minus 2. We want what? X square. X is here. If we multiply with x, we will get what? X square minus minus plus. It becomes 2x. So this get cancelled again. We got x minus 2. So here again what left? X into 1, x minus 2 plus minus minus. It becomes minus 2. So whole get cancelled. We got the remainder 0. Is that okay? So here what we got? Gx is equals to x square minus x plus 1. Is that okay? Is that clear? Please you solve. Simply don't get panic by seeing the question, oh my god, here this is given, that is given, how we will find? Nothing is there. Just you read the question twice or thrice and first you write what is given to us and what we have to find. After writing you will get some idea, and when you start solving you will be able to solve so many questions. Now see, from question number 5 I am giving you the hint of one and rest 2 you will do. Now see, our question number 7 is give examples of polynomial px, gx, qx and rx which satisfy the division algorithm and degree of px is equals to degree of qx. In that, it's our duty to find a polynomial which satisfies the division algorithm. What is our division algorithm? Same. Divided is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder, or we can write px is equals to gx into qx plus rx. See, first one I am solving for you. So according to division algorithm, we know that what we know, px is equals to gx into qx plus rx, where rx is equals to 0 or degree of rx is less than degree of gx, because if this will not be there, then division will not be possible. Now see here, let us choose one algorithm. Degree of polynomial is the highest power of the variable in the polynomial. Degree of polynomial we know that you have learned in class 9. What is degree of polynomial? So we know that the highest power is the degree of polynomial. So in the first case, we have to prove degree of px is equals to degree of qx. So degree of quotient will be equal to degree of dividend when divisor is constant. Is that okay? Degree of quotient will be equal to what? Degree of dividend. Degree of quotient will be equals to what? Degree of divided. Then only degree of px will be equals to degree of qx. No. Let us assume the division of this one. So here we have choose 6x square plus 2x plus 2 by 2. Is that okay? Px and qx. So our px is this one. Gx is this one. Here, so if we divide 6x square plus 2x plus 2, so how much we are getting? 2 3 ja 6, 3x square, this cancel, 3x square plus x plus 1. Is that okay? So here we are observing degree of px and qx is the same. That is how much? 2. Degree of px and degree of qx. What we are getting? 2. We are following the pattern that we want. So here after checking, just check whether this one is following or not the division algorithm. Px is equals to this and gx into qx. So gx is 2 and qx we got 3x square plus x plus 1. So after solving, our result is the same as equal to px, and here degree of px we are getting is equals to degree of qx. Hope this part is clear to you. And question number 5 of question 5 part 2 and part 3, please you try to solve by yourself. In the next class we will solve some more examples and more questions. Till then, have a nice day.